Hi, just Ayala. Hindi na tayo nakapag-outfit check. Medyo late na ako eh. Or I'm just wearing shirt, trousers, and slippers. I feel like ang dami kong magagawin trabaho ngayon. So ayoko na umawara-awara muna. I'm just waiting for the elevator. Let's go. And then, syempre, nag-taxi na tayo going to school. Medyo iniisip ko pa kung ano mga dapat kong gawin. Kasi pakiramdam ko ang dami kong to-do list today. But before that, mag-breakfast muna ako. So, ewan ko, for 3 consecutive days, kinakain ko lang lagi is bread and fruits, especially strawberries. And then after ko mag-breakfast, I started with my task. So for today, medyo magpo-focus ako on doing resources pack for our individual assistants. So kailangan nila tong mga resources na to for their kids. After that, nag-rest ako to have lunch. And I'm so happy dahil ang sarap na naman ng lunch. Nakakain na naman ako ulit. And then, ayun na nga. Going back, so resources packs. So, for those who don't know, I'm working in the inclusion department. So, meaning most of the kids that we are dealing with are students with special needs. And I'm doing these resources for the individual assistants of these students para mas madali nilang ma-manage yung behavior ng mga bata. Actually, it was a full set. There's a lot of cutting, laminating, sorting. But I mean, this is just the hard part of preparing for the new academic year. Pero pag natapos na, mas chill naman na kasi, syempre, you have the resources and all you have to do is just use it with the kid. Yun na nga, hindi ko natapos. So, that's tomorrow's problem. Umuwi na ako and damn, it was such a very busy day. But thanks for my colleague for taking me home. And yeah, here's Karak. I will take shower and rest. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, bye!